got a problem, but we're rolling on. From the Big Apple buzz to the Texas dawn. Rachel, Draco, Hawk, Malik, and me. Now we're headed to Point Blank, just wait and see. From New York's rush to the Texan peace, gonna soak in the calm, let the stress release. Charming shops, cozy cafes, rustic fare, Texas hospitality everywhere. Point Blank vibes under Lake Livingston skies, sunset reflections where the serenity lies. From the city's frenzy to nature's embrace, we're finding our calm in this tranquil space. Rachel and Draco heading back to Austin town. Malik and me, we're sticking around. 2 days with Hawk, just hanging loose. Then we slow it down, cause we've got time to lose. Lake Livingston's a paradise with water so clear. Boating, fishing, and swimming, we're in the right gear. Nature's beauty and the sunset's glow. In Point Blank's charm, we let our worries go. Point Blank vibes under Lake Livingston skies, sunset reflections where the serenity lies. From the city's frenzy to nature's embrace, we're finding our calm in this tranquil space. Nicole, Lucy, and Moo, you're on my mind. Even when I'm away, love I find. I carry you all with me, wherever I roam. You're my heart, my soul, my home. And Leah's buddy, don't change a thing, just stay who you are. You're a good friend, and that's the best part by far. So here's to the quiet and the sunset so grand. From city lights to a tranquil land, in Point Blank stillness, under evening's grace, we're living the dream in this serene space. Off that quiet lake, I'm longing for the ones my heart still aches. I miss my kids, Jula and Emma, so bright. Their voices and laughter, my guiding light. One day I'll show them the fields and the sky, in this beautiful land, just them and I.
Well, the time on Point Blank sure flew by. At Hog's place we found peace under the sky. Texas hospitality, it feels like home. The League and me in the Lone Star Zone. Now we're hitting the road, 180 miles or so. Austin's calling, and we're ready to go. Rachel and Draco, they're waiting for us. 3 days in Austin, no need to rush. From Point Blank to Austin's heat, barbecue and laughter, life feels sweet. Under the Texas sun, we'll take it slow. In the heart of Austin, we'll feed our soul. First stop's tacos, we'll savor every bite. Then Mount Bonnell for that sunset sight. Last year's rain kept me from it all, but this year in Austin will feed our soul. It's hot as hell, but we don't mind. With friends like these, the heat's left behind. Malik and me, we're sticking around. Austin's where our joy is found. From Point Blank to Austin's heat, barbecue and laughter, life feels sweet. Under the Texas sun, we'll take it slow. In the heart of Austin, we'll feed our soul. Austin's burning in the morning light. Cruising downtown where the city hums. Food trucks stop for burgers, that's a must. Barton Springs cools us down just right, splashing away in the Austin light. The Capitol stands proud and bold. In Texas rhythm, our stories are told. From Point Blank to Austin's heat, barbecue and laughter, life feels sweet. Under the Texas sun, we'll take it slow. In the heart of Austin, we'll feed our soul. Congress Avenue, sunset fills the sky. Bats fly by, oh my, oh my. Downtown dinner, burgers on the plate. In this Texas town, everything feels great. Comedy motherships where we'll end the night, laughing till the stars fade out of sight. Feels so good to be back in the state. With friends like these, man, life is great. The final days slip by, but the memories hold. Laugh and eat and share stories untold. Tomahawk steaks and burgers on the side. Austin's heat won't burn our pride. Thanks to Rachel, Draco, and Hall for the time we've had.
No word.
That ain't bad. Next year in Michigan, we'll meet again.
Like, you're gonna get fresher
Till
stuff here.
then, my friends, this
They're
is
awesome.
not the end. Before we said goodbye, we hit Red's piano bar. With Ace tunes and drinks, we didn't go far. The night was alive with music and cheer. Austin's magic, it was all right here. We raised our glasses, laughed till we cried. Good friends, good times with nothing to hide. The night may have ended, but the memories shine. In Austin's heart we had one hell of a time. So stay tuned, keep your spirits high. In Austin's embrace, under the Texas sky. From the barbecue pit to the comedy glow, our adventure's the start, now it's time to go.